What's up, everybody? I'm back for another video. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a couple of days. I want to talk about sitting out in the dark. Do you like sitting out in the dark? I kind of like sitting out in the dark. Just leave this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you like to sit out in the dark. Listening to the nature. Listen to the crickets at night and the katydids in the trees making their music and all that stuff. And I had some shout-outs to do. Mike Miller, Brian Jones, Gene J. Snipes, Gene Tidwell, Peace for Game 233, Brady and Avery, I think I said Brian Jones, Blue and Kate, and I think that's it, and I'll be back for another video, probably tomorrow. See you later. Peace out. Peace out.